Crypto market has been having a bit of a dip, and that's a good thing. That's an exciting thing. That's an amazing thing. Opportunities like this come very, very few and far in between. Very few and far in between. Why? Because we're in a bull market. We're in a super cycle. We have BlackRock, we have Van Eck, we have Michael Saylor, we have Donald Trump wanting to create a Bitcoin strategic reserve. Okay? It is absolutely ridiculous how bullish some of this stuff is, particularly the removal of Gary Gensler and the oppressive administration that has tried to destroy your livelihood. That's right, your livelihood. I should have bought Sigma on Solana because my kid says that to me all the time. But we're here, we got a dip. Shout out to the squad father for being here. I know my show's been a little bit of a mess this morning. We've been a little bit hectic. I've been fighting for my life, man. I'm fighting for my life over here. This is the thing, I'm not perfect. I make mistakes, but I'm very loyal. And that's a problem. That's a problem. And I also have a problem when people try to their mouth to me when they think it's funny. This is not funny at all. At all, at all, at all. That's why I'm thankful for the self-care lab out of Montclair, California. I know I need to call Miss Nita back. I'm going to be calling her back as well. I got lots of phone calls I got to make today. But anyways, we're here. We are here. Let's get into it. No makeup, a little bit, because I just got done crying. That's okay. Anyways, let's get it. Let's get it. This is what the current market looks like. The daily, Ohm, 27%. Peanut is up 16%. Casbret. These are the dips that we're looking for. Okay. These are the dips that we're looking for. And I've got my eye on a couple projects I want to buy more of. Someone asked for a Matic Polygon poll. I'm not buying any more of that. I got a fat moon bag. Bitcoin's dip might actually be over. Okay. The dip might be over. It might be over. So what we're seeing right here, we're holding on to support at 89,000. And again, all I did was I did fibs. I do the fibs. Fibs are amazing. And then I do fibs and price discovery. And if you zoom back in, you can see how well they ping pong. Okay. With that being said, taking a look at the 4 hour, we're ping ponging. It looks like we're doing some bullish consolidation. However, we might drop more. And if we drop more, that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Hell, even if we've been back to $70,000, I would be bullish. There's nothing for me to say about Polygon right now, dude. There's not. There's not. But let's listen to this clip right now from Van Eck. This is from CNBC, and this is the gentleman from Van Eck. Our price target for Bitcoin this cycle, $180,000. That's child's play, baby. That's child's play. That is child's play. Oh, hold up. Hold up. Let's go and listen to this clippy clip, though. Let's go and listen to it.
As we expected, Bitcoin saw this high volatility pump after the election. We're now in blue sky territory, no technical resistance, and we think we're likely to make repeated all-time highs over the next 2 quarters. The same pattern played out 4 years ago. Between the election and the end of the year in 2020, Bitcoin doubled. There were about 10% corrections, so it's not going to be a straight line, but we're up 30% so far, and a number of indicators that we track are still flashing green for this rally to continue. This is a state change in terms of government support. Look at this cabinet, the VP, Attorney General, Director of Defense, National Security Advisor, possibly even the Secretary of Treasury being pro-Bitcoin. That's not including Elon and Vivek. So the number of calls that I'm getting inbound from investment advisors who are at 0 and looking to get to 1% or at 1% and looking to get to 3%, these calls are starting to accelerate, and we think the flows are going to follow. So our price target for this cycle is 180K. We think we can reach that next year. That would be 1,000% return from the bottom to the peak this cycle. That's still the smallest Bitcoin cycle by far.
Wow. So we have TradFi Ivory Tower saying we think we're going to see $180,000. We also have other traditional financial firms talking about a $10 trillion market cap. $10 trillion market cap for crypto. Do you understand how much higher? If this is the thing, I want to be like in the past, I've always been a little bit more conservative, and you guys used to call me a bear and nobody would watch my content. So I'm going to be a bulltard, complete bulltard. Okay. Because we're going to go higher. But at the same time, always have a trading or investing plan. Always have a trading or investing plan, and always plan for a bearish scenario. Always plan for if your price target does not get hit. Practice risk management, because a $10 trillion market cap in crypto might not happen, but it could. Strong chance it could, especially because we have a pro-crypto administration. $180,000 Bitcoin may not happen. It could, strong possibility, but it might not. So I'm going to keep calling this. I'm going to keep calling and hoping these things are going to happen. I'm going to hope for that $10,000 Ethereum. I'm going to hope for that $1,000 Solana. I'm going to hope that dogecoin hits $1. I'm going to hope that XRP hits $5. That would be wonderful. I'm going to hope that Cardano breaks all-time high. Those might not happen, but I can have some hopium, okay? And with that being said, let's keep it going. This is the dip. This is the dip. These are the dips. Ethereum looks disgusting, looks gross, don't like it, holding a bit of it. We need higher. Vitalik, go do some stupid dance and pump my damn bags. Okay. Solana 214. Ooh, you know what? I wish I would have got Solana. I wonder if I can buy more at $200. I'm going to buy more. I told you I got $20,000 sitting around. Avalanche is going to be a great buy as well. Dipping. Everything is dipping right now. Everything. Cardano, all of it. All of it. Bitcoin. Google searches surge as price hits a record $90,100 yesterday. I feel like we went higher than that. Didn't we have like 93,000? It's just crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy. Look on chain, another 1.34 billion USDT just flowed from Tether Treasury to exchanges in the past 12 hours. Huge amounts of funds are being pumped into the crypto market. What does this mean? When Tether moves funds, or when funds get moved into exchange, number goes up. Number goes up. These are all bullish signs. Could we have found a local top with Bitcoin? Yes. Is that okay? Yes. Are we in a bull run? Yes. Are we in an altcoin season? Yes. Are we in a super cycle? I think so. Could you imagine? Could you imagine? Could you imagine? Could you imagine with this Trump presidency, we stay in a super cycle? Now, liquidations. Of course, we have to talk about liquidations. Last 24 hours, almost $600 million were liquidated. If y'all want to get liquidated, please use my ref links. Please use my ref links. We've got Femex, we got Margex down below. Please use those, get liquidated, because I'd love to have that money. Okay? Not your keys, not your coins. And you shouldn't be using leverage at all. But if you guys want to be ridiculous and you want to use leverage, by all means, use my ref link. Happy to take the money. You can simply buy spot and transfer it off. You could. You could. Now, 10.47 million Ethereum short liquidated. You should have used my ref link. Please, I would have loved to get the ref money on that. Loved it. But no, you guys don't want to use my ref links. U.S. ETF inflows hit 4.7 billion over 6 days as Bitcoin becomes the 7th largest asset in the world. Bitcoin dominance continues its uptrend, hits new highs as ETF inflows soar. U.S. spot listed ETFs see over 4.7 billion in net inflows in the past 6 trading days. Just because we're having a little bit of a dip means nothing. The way price action looks, this means nothing. And make sure you guys smash a like. You need to smash a like. Some of you aren't smashing the like hard enough. Shout out to Alexandra and to Eric and to John. Shout out, shout out. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. We're not stopping anytime soon. Also, remember, and this is from Mr. Jason. Lope, whatever. Remember how Vanguard Group promised to never list Bitcoin ETFs? Check out who the second largest holder of MicroStrategy stock is. And that's the thing. When you are a shareholder, you have ownership in that asset. So Vanguard, out the side of their mouth about Michael Saylor, but guess what? They're shareholders, so they essentially own Bitcoin. Watch what these people do. Watch what these people do. Watch their actions. Watch their actions. Watch their actions. I'll get with this later. Institutions go all in on crypto. Signum survey reveals 57 respondents plan to boost allocations. Let's read this a little bit. 65% of surveyed investors are bullish on crypto for the long term. Retail is here. 63% consider adding more within 3 to 6 months. Over 70% of respondents see ETFs as boosting crypto confidence. 30% view digital assets as superior to traditional investments. 44% prefer single token investments, with layer 1 blockchains as the most popular area, followed by Web3 and DeFi. Volatility is now the main concern over custody and security issues. 81% would increase allocation if more market-specific insights were available. Retail is here. If you are not bullish on this, I don't know what to tell you. I have no idea what to tell you. This is a rumor. I don't know who this person is, but this is a rumor that Trump wants to eliminate all capital gains taxes on cryptocurrency issued by U.S. companies. This is a rumor. This would ultimately make all profits Americans make on holding crypto assets such as Cardano, Algo, XRP, HBAR fully tax-free. He says the source is member of the Trump transition team. I don't know if I believe this. Okay, this is a rumor. Until it's actually stated by Trump, I am not going to believe this. And you shouldn't either. It's just hearsay. It's just hearsay. Bitcoin strategic reserve unlikely under Trump. Mike Novogratz. I have a picture with Mike Novogratz, and the only reason why I have a picture with Mike Novogratz is because I was at an event in Chicago, and one of my friends, one of these trader guys, like, Wendy, I want to get a picture with them. I want to get a picture with them. So we took a picture with them. I don't need to take pictures with anybody. Sometimes I will for different reasons, like I did with Jason Derulo because he came to my set, but it's just funny. That's just a funny story. Anyways, though, let's go ahead and read why he says it's unlikely. So Galaxy Digital, Mike Novogratz, believes the likelihood of Trump establishing a Bitcoin strategic reserve is low. He said potential governmental conflicts could stop it from happening. He suggests that U.S. could lead as tech-first country by buying more Bitcoin, showing the world its commitment to crypto. However, he downplays the need for Bitcoin to back the dollar, given the nation's strong military and economy. Novogratz believes Bitcoin will hit $500,000 if the U.S. gets a Bitcoin reserve. This is the thing. I appreciate this statement from Mike Novogratz, but Trump's already essentially promised that. He's already promised that. Cynthia Loomis already has a bill pushed through. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Seriously. Seriously. I think we're going to get one. Trump made a promise. Trump promised to fire Gary Gensler, to free Ross, get a Bitcoin strategic reserve, allow Americans to custody their coins. Why wouldn't we get it? Why wouldn't we? 378 concurrent viewers. Thank you guys for joining me. I wasn't going to stream today. I was crying on the damn floor. Because I got some personal stuff going on. This is the thing. People are horrible. People are just horrible. I can admit when I'm wrong with something. People are disgusting. And this is why I like to be with myself. And that's my new man back there, by the way. That's my new man. That's my new man. Now, let's talk about what happened to the CEO of Polymarket, Shane Copeland. I don't think the war in crypto is over yet. Stay with me here. Polymarket CEO home raided by FBI. The DOJ is currently investigating Polymarket for allegedly letting U.S. users access the platform, violating a 2022 CFTC settlement. U.S. users access Polymarket via VPNs despite CFTC ban on U.S. users. Polymarket claims the raid is political retribution for accurately predicting election outcome. CEO has not been arrested or charged. So basically, they're going into his house and they're taking everything. It is absolutely ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Absolutely. Now let's talk about XRP. Now let's get into XRP. Because XRP pumped. And I found some more XRP than I had thought that I had. $77. Everything. XRP is pumping and everything is dumping. XRP is pumping and everything is dumping. Wow. We broke out above resistance at 75 cents. And next area that we need to clear is 95 cents. XRP is going to hit $1 easily, super easily. Super, super easily. It's insane. And I'm so happy for the XRP army. I really, 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 really am. Really, really, really am. 400 people in the chat. Eric says that's usually what happens when XRP runs. He's right. He's right. He's right. Good morning to beautiful Alexandra. My XRP bags are doing okay. Woo! Chainlink. World Liberty Finance is adopting the Chainlink standard to accelerate the mass adoption of DeFi, inspired by President-elect Donald J. Trump. Chainlink will help secure World Liberty Finance's lending markets and then go on to provide critical cross-chain connectivity as well as many Oracle network capabilities. If you are not bullish on Chainlink, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. Chicken bone broth gang. I am holding some pee-pee. Not your pee-pee. My pee-pee. Chainlink, Oracle. I'm gonna be picking up at least 5 figures. I had some. I ended up selling it. Buying in late. I don't care if I'm buying late or not. I don't. I really, really don't. People can make fun of me. They can laugh. Profit is profit, and you could cry harder. Once Chainlink is dipping a little bit over here. If we fall below the 12.70 cent area, I'm buying. I will buy 5 figures. DOGE. DOGE, Department of Government Efficiency. If you do not think Dogecoin is going to $1 after seeing this is a real agency. Elon and Vivek. Elon and Vivek. If you don't think Dogecoin is going to $1 this cycle, I don't know what to tell you. And you know what? I never thought I would be saying this. We have the president of the United States of America saying Doge. Elon Musk, one of the richest men in the world, saying Doge. Vivek saying Doge. What do you want me to tell you? That it's not going to go to $1? That it's not probably going to go to $1? That it's not a high likely chance it's going to go to $1? What do you want me to tell you? I do want to drink gelatin powder because that's what has to have a lot of collagen. I might start mixing it with that. And this is the thing. This is the thing. I hate being like a permabull and like bullish, but what do you want me to tell you? This agency that is going to monitor other government spending, it's called DOGE. If you do not understand what's happening, this is literally a shill. The United States of America is shilling Dogecoin. If you don't think it's going to $1 or close to it, holy heck. What do you want me to tell you? Seriously. But okay. Coinbase listing boost by PEPE. 75% drives profit taking to 9-month high. PEPE's price rallied 75%, hit a new all-time high after Coinbase listed the meme coin on November 13th. Due to the price increase, PEPE holders booked profits to turn $1.6 billion as it became overbought. The daily chart shows a decrease in buying pressure could force drawdown. Yeah, that happens. That happens. It's okay. PEPE was listed on Coinbase yesterday. Well, it was listed a long time ago. WIF was listed on Coinbase yesterday. I am telling you, use Moonshot. If you are brand new to crypto, and you want to get into memes, try your luck on Moonshot. It is a lot safer. You'll still probably lose a lot of money, but at the same time, it is an easier platform to navigate than being in the trenches. I hate being in the trenches. I hate it. I am telling you. And the ref link is down below and on my website. But I understand there's a lot of risk there. Meme coins are going to go absolutely insane. I lived in the trenches in real life. I don't want to do that again. Okay. Meme coins are going to continue to go insane. It's just about picking the best one. And it's hard to do that. That's why I like Moonshot, because it has more legitimate projects there from what I see. Obviously, there is still a lot of problems with meme coins, but at the end of the day, it feels a bit safer. Who's been gone for months? Who? I'm not allowed to talk about DOT because I've talked about it so many times. And then I took a paid partnership that I disclosed, and I also donated that entire check that I got from them to a nonprofit. And so people got mad. Oh, baby, I've been making content every single day, the entire bear market. Go look at my pages, please, streaming every day. And a lot of you, especially ticky-tacky, you guys need to learn to do your due diligence before you open your mouth. You really do. That's why most of you end up getting wrecked. I'm not trying to be mean, but it is what it is. I've been posting. Me and Mason were never partnered. We were always like cool and stuff. But the moral of the story is I've been streaming every single day, making videos every single day, 2 videos a day, 2 videos. I'm just in a mood today. Because men think it's okay to argue with me. Solana and Base remain most popular blockchain ecosystems in 2024. Oh no, Crypto Nights, we were like, it was more of a, I don't even think I was a part of Crypto Nights when he was. I am spicy today because people are trying to gaslight me this way. I don't like it. I don't appreciate it. I don't. But anyway, Solana and Base remain most popular blockchain ecosystem. And again, Solana and Base meme coins are on Moonshot. Ref link on website and in the description below. Solana's DEX daily trading volume exceeds 5 billion for 3 consecutive days, the first time in history. Solana's not going anywhere, and I want to buy more. I want to buy more. Ratum led, handling 60% of the trading volume with 4.32 billion in 24-hour volume and recorded 19.56 billion in the last week. Solana outpaced Ethereum index trading volumes for most of November. Now, there's another thing I want to show you guys, okay? This is not a fun thing to talk about. Phantom. So apparently a bunch of people did not save their private seed phrase address on Phantom, any of their stuff. And there was an update, and it was an iOS update. So we're going to talk about this. We're going to talk about this because this is important. So there was a person that lost, I think, $1 million in WIF because they're using from their phone. First off, I never recommend using a cell phone for MetaMask or Phantom Wallet. It's so easy to get hacked. If you're going to do that, you need to have a throwaway phone. A throwaway phone is something that's completely wiped, not anywhere near your identity at all. And it needs to be kept offline. Then you need to back it up with a Ledger, Trezor, whatever device, paper wallets, because stuff like this happens. And this guy lost $1 million from an iOS update. We are aware that a small number of iOS users are experiencing app resets. If you happen to be among them, you can restore your wallet using your recovery phrase. If you don't have your recovery phrase, you are effed. You are effed. Absolutely effed. Okay? So I'm going to remind you. Full moon Wendy? No, Wendy, what's going on with Wendy is people think it's okay to disrespect me and take advantage. And I'm tired of it. I'm really, 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 really tired of it. I got stories. But right now, if you don't have your private seed phrase or any of your security stuff set up for MetaMask or Phantom, you need to do that today. Because I would really, really hate for you guys to lose your money because of a silly mistake. I have all mine, but I made sure I redid it yesterday as well. Okay? You guys are going to do incredibly well this cycle. All of you. Yep. Also, too, actually, let me show you this. This is a friend of mine. Hold on. This is a really, really cool, hold on. Where is it? Hold on. This is really important. And I don't get paid. I don't get paid to shill his stuff at all, but I'm going to shill this to you. It's very, very, very important. This is, okay, CryptoTag seed phrase storage. Okay. It is a tangible device. This is what it is. And you etch in your private seed phrase on this. And it's not a device. It's literally just a piece of metal. This is the safest way to store your private seed phrase, okay? I believe it's titanium, and you etch in your private seed phrase. It's amazing. This is the crypto wallet backup for veteran multi-wallet holder. Over here, this one for all the different numbers and whatnot. It's on my website, CryptoWendyO.com. And you have to go to my, honestly, you guys, if you are not subscribed to CryptoWendyO YouTube, you need to be, because I share my screen there. But this is a great product, amazing product, outstanding product, okay? And you just go ahead and you etch in your private seed phrase there. They accept crypto, fiat, Apple Pay, Google, whatever it is. But I'm telling you, buy as many of these as possible. As many of these as possible for your private seed phrases so you don't lose them. Because paper is a very safe place for them. But this is better. This is indestructible almost, okay? It's very important. This is probably the most important thing I will shill to you guys. Again, I'm not making money. I'm not partnered with them. I've always shilled them. It's always been on my website. I'm telling you right now, CryptoTag. CryptoTag. Please, for the love of your family, for your future, CryptoTag.io. I'm going to put it in the chat. And again, I'm not making money. I wish I was, but I'm not. Buy it. If you haven't bought it today, buy it now. It is a metal plate. That's it. Buy it now. That's actually, I'm going to give you financial advice. This is financial advice for you to buy a CryptoTag now so you can protect your private keys. Okay? If you don't do this and you look and you lose your money because of whatever, that's 100% on you. So this is financial advice. And this is something I feel comfortable giving financial advice about because it's a product that is going to make sense for you. You pay for it. You make sure your private seed phrase is correct. You restart your wallet, do everything, and then you etch it on, double check it, then restart your wallet, open it up again with this. And on that note, that is some alpha. That's probably going to make you the most money this cycle. I'm sending you guys love and light. Thank you so much for supporting me. I didn't want to get off the floor this morning, but I did. Got to be a little bit dramatic over here. But anyways, I'm going through another tough time in my life. It's just really, really, really upsetting. I'm just tired of getting disrespected. But it is what it is. So that's why if I come off is a little bit, sorry, my boob is itching. But that's why if I come off on a little bit harsh, I'm just done. I'm just done. But anyways, sending you guys love and light. WendyO is out. I got a video coming out for you guys later today. Make sure you guys watch it. If not, that's cool. Thank you guys again. I really appreciate you more than you know. If it wasn't for YouTube and TikTok and my audience, I probably would, I don't know where I would be right now. Goodbye.